see what happens.
So I'd never tried the Snort Wheeze before, and at this point, I thought this buck was getting ready to run away. So now I'm thinking he's walking away, and what did I have to lose? So I tried it again. And much to my surprise, it worked, and he came running. He was coming so fast that I was trying to position the camera so I wouldn't have to mess with the camera while I was trying to shoot. You can see the deer at the top right-hand corner by the tree limb. My plan was for him to come to the green area and I would shoot him in the green area. But he veers off to the left, goes into the woods and gets behind a tree, which allowed me time to move my crossbow. Only, I forgot to move the camera. So I get ready to set my crossbow down and take aim, but I decided I better range him first, so that I'm able to make a good shot. Rangefinder showed him 37 yards.
Meh. Meh.
Well, it worked out. That was pretty exciting. A pretty good buck. Quite a distance out. And didn't have a doe with him, and I did a snort wheeze. He looked my way, then he went on, and then I did a snort wheeze again and a couple of grunts, and I mean, he came running. Closed the distance fast, and I don't think I got the shot on video because I was so excited, but it looked like a pretty good shot. A lot of blood coming out. I think he went down right out in the field. I ranged him right before I shot. It's 37 is what my rangefinder showed. I just split my 30 and 40 yard crosshair. Pulled the trigger, and when he ran off, I saw the other side of him where the arrow had come out. And I mean, there was blood coming everywhere. I'm going to give him just a few minutes, and then I'm going to get down and go check him out. Stay tuned. Well, I got down to see the blood flow where I hit him at, and you can see he lost it. This is right exactly where I shot him. He was standing right here, and he started losing blood immediately. Well, We followed the trail and we found him. He went 70 yards maybe from where I shot him. Pretty good sized buck, and I'm happy.